Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show you how to activate Google via eSIM on iPhone. So first we're going to go to our browser. Then we're going to search for freegoogle.com and we're going to click on the website that pops in. As you can see, this is their official website. It's going to show us different packages, different plans and coverage as well as their phones. So as we scroll, we can see the join now link. We're going to click on it. Then as you can see, it's going to make us choose a plan. From different plans listed there, we're going to choose which one is convenient for you and we're going to click on continue. Then we're going to show us our card. It will allow us to choose phones if we want to. I instead chose for bring your own phone, but there are other options too to buy. So after that, we're going to click on continue. Then next, we're going to write in our service address. So once it's done, we already bought it. There's also another step to do it. So we're going to search in for Google Fee Setup eSIM. So it's going to directly set us with the link from their official website. As you can see, it's going to make us choose our phone plan, our coverage, as well as the type of plan we want. So once we have our QR code, we're going to go to our iPhone, then click on cellular, then add eSIM. Since we downloaded the info from the website, we're going to use QR code. We can either scan the QR code or we can also enter it manually. So I hope you guys like this video, subscribe for more, like for more. Goodbye.